now you are tasked to be a head coach of a PBA team, Blackwater. So, na-aksidente mo bang natawag yung team mo na ladies? Okay, ladies, gawin na. Dahil ang tagal nyo sa women's team.
Girls. Yung mga minsan natatawag ko, yes, girls.
Di ba? Girls ka mga dalak.
But to tell you really, I wasn't really ready to be, umalis din ako sa Blackwater for some time just to focus on Gilas. So, and then eventually, siguro a year ago, pumasok din ako. And I'm very thankful ako kay Coach Jeff na in-accept niya ako. And wala namang, but we help each other. Kung may kailangan siya, nasasabi ko, or, you need something else, nasasabi ko din sa kanya. So, we're okay, I mean, marami nga nagsasabi, inago ko rin trabaho. No. I wasn't ready. Hindi ko rin gusto. Agad. I mean, if ever, diba? But the thing is, things happen na we're not in control of. So, or hindi ko control din. So, eventually, it was a tough decision on Boss Joe for letting Coach Jeff go. And siguro, it was also tough for me to absorb kung ano nangyayari ngayon sa Blackwater. Because it's been like that. Sabi nga namin, it's been laging a losing team palagi. So, mahirap. Sabi ko, mahirap. Sabi ko nga nung first game, hirap pala mag-coach dito kasi I like what I said dun sa isang reporter na, playing with this kind of yung kalaban mo, like, a legend, Coach Chot, with the numerous championship already, defending champion, tapos may veterano pa mga players. How they adjust, talagang super duper, talagang yung misdirection nila. Talagang minsan, mahihilo ka minsan. Pero, you got to have that faith na kailangan mo rin tapatan, kailangan mo matuto rin. So, it's really hard. It's really hard to come in at this point of time na, 3 araw lang yata kami nag-practice.
Oo, tas TNT agad kalaro.
Tapos TNT defending champion, tapos manutball pa. So, medyo sabi ko hard task. But, let's just do whatever we can. And okay naman. As far as I'm concerned, we did okay. But, still have a lot more to work on. And hopefully, maging okay kami. To be siguro, alam mo naman yung perspective, look sa team ng Blackwater is always on a losing end, always trading mga players on a certain, sabi namin nga eh. But at this time, I mean, Boss Joe has been very patient. He has been talagang, yung team niya, nandyan pa rin sila Cedric Verfield, yung mga top pick namin, nandyan for the last 3 years already. So, hindi mo masabing yan yung sabi ko nga sa mga bata, you have to give back naman to the owners on what they're giving us. They're giving us our livelihoods, this is work. That's why I always you have to work with me. I work with you, I'll work with me. I'm working. And again, I'm a winner. Hopefully you'll be a winner.
Yeah.
Then.
Nice. So, kumusta naman yung coach yung unang pagharap mo kay Coach Chot? Kumbaga, may intimidation ba?
Of course.
Meron, no?
Meron, syempre.
May kilig ba?
Minsan, tinitingala mo siya, you were watching. Minsan, nakakasama ko siya, like, nakasama ko siya sa SEA Games, nakasama ko siya sa Asian Games. So, or, may ibang laro, nanonood ako. Like, yung dito, yung tinalo niyo yung Korea, was so proud of what everybody did, And then, Coach Chot pa, sabihin natin, part of the Gilas program before. And, he's one of the, parang premier coach. So, talaga nakaka-intimidate. And then, yung mga assistant pa, Coach Ronaldel, mga veterano. Tapos sila, Coach Sandy, Coach Josh,
Coach Yuri.
So, lahat ng minds mo, pag sinama mo, parang, tapos yung, ako pa, bago lang ako, siyempre, mahihilo rin ako minsan. Ma-intimidate ka talaga.
Do you have fellow coaches that you talk to or you
I mean, I've been with them for the longest time. For a fact, I'm probably the oldest assistant coach in the PBA or in
Kahit PBL
in
pa.
Blackwater. Kasi from PBL pa eh.
Nandun ka na, coach.
Nandun na ako. So that was 1999 or 2000.
98.
Sabi mo 2000?
Oh.
2000 hanggang ngayon. Siguro few months lang kami nawala. Hindi kami nag-ano.
So alam nyo na rin deep inside, this bound
like
to happen. This bound to happen that you'll be the head coach.
Saka yun rin sumusuporta sa iyo, coach, no?
Yeah.
Sa mga women.
Bosyo was the earlier supporter of Gilas Women's.
Oo, no?
Then eventually, nagka-pandemic na wala. So, yun. Kanya-kanya na.
Pero ang galing kasi how you handle the women's team sa national, the goldfish mentality also, losing for how many points, then you are with a team also that is, starting out, tatalo pa rin. I think best fit din in a way that you have a coach that knows how to handle these situations and make it work.
Sabi ko nga, wag lang sobrang tabak nung first game namin. But just try to compete. And if there's a chance to win, better. But again, having to compete with nandito sa taas yung talk and text. Dito tayo sa baba. They're looking down on us. Sabi ko, mapantay natin yung tingin natin sa kanila and tingin nila sa'yo. I think the game would be, patas. So every time na you have an advantage, look down a little bit, may konti kang may konti kang forma.
Oo, momentum.
So hindi pwedeng nandito lang nga sila sa taas. Nakatingala ka pa. Tapos pagka medyo hindi na tama yung ginagawa, nagkakagulo na kayo sa loob. I think that's a different story overall.
Pero maganda naman yung game na, no?
Oh, ganda. Tsaka nakahabol sila, coach nun eh. Coach Pat, lamang kami, tapos dumikit. Meron lang silang mga open shots na hindi na shoot.
Hindi talaga shoot.
Sayang, coach, no?
Dami.
So, siguro next time, baka ma-convert na nila. Unti-unti.
Saka yung import nila also is becoming a darling of the crowd.
Sobrang laki.
Oo, si Baby Shaq yung tawag nila.
Hindi mo maano sa kanya yung you have to really, parang agile, but slow. He can still run, but still hindi ganun ka so yung fit niya talaga na pwede siya mag-sprint.
Napalaban din siya kay Ball eh.
I know he felt really bad na hindi siya ganun ka ano tawag dito, not fit, but
babawi daw siya.
Marami ring mga mistakes na marami siyang
unti-unti yan, coach, kasi dati naman yung Blackwater nag-aano naman yan
quarters
nagka-quarters dati nung panahon ni Walker.
Si Henry Walker.
Si Henry Walker.
Yeah, it was a good import for us.
Nagko-quarters din yan Nasa-short lang ng kumbaga. Later on, coach, di ba?
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching Balyahan with GB and RDO, powered by Sports Plus, the official gaming partner of the Philippine Olympic Committee. Kung nagustuhan mo ang napanood mo, here's some more videos. Huwag mo rin kalimutang mag-like, comment at subscribe para lagi kang first dibs sa bagong videos ng Balyahan.